I'm Chris Grundy. Ever see a woodworker do this? What they're doing is showing you they still got 10 fingers, and the Microjig gripper is gonna help keep it that way.
Today, we're going to talk about the Gripper 3D Pushblock system.
One of my all-time favorite safety items, Microjig's gripper.
When you're ripping through lumber on your table saw, you gotta keep your fingers safe from the blade. You could use a push stick, but there's not much control or protection.
The gripper is a 3D push block that keeps your fingers safely away from a spinning blade. 3 directions of control give you superior cuts: forward, inward, and downward.
And the gripper also shields your hands from the blade for added safety. The adjustable center leg allows for ripping pieces of various widths, and the non-slip material has great grabbing power to push your work through the saw.
So we have a nice smooth cut, no burning. Because we were able to safely push through at a consistent feed rate, we get a smoother cut as a result. The other thing I want you to notice is at the end of the cut, I still had control over my workpiece, so we don't have any situations where the workpiece is just flopping all over the place, because these rubber grip feet still give me complete control, and I could safely maneuver the workpiece away from the blade while the blade comes to a stop.
The gripper is great for cutting small pieces that couldn't be cut with a traditional push stick by dropping down the balance support. The gripper has many uses around the shop and is a great accessory to your table saw, bandsaw, joiner, and router.
So let's recap what we've learned here. Safer plus smarter equals funner. Microjig grippers are available for purchase in woodworking stores worldwide and online. Here's a fun fact. You know what Grr-Ripper stands for? Get really, really, really improved push block performance Really?
Thanks for watching, have a great safety week, and stay safe in your workshops.
This here is a Mitre T-Track. They're most commonly found on custom-built router tables. On its own, this Mitre track functions perfectly, accepting standard 3/4 by 3/8 miter gauges. However, it also accepts Mitre T-bars, and this is what gives it its T-track functionality. Unlike standard Mitre bars, the T-bars slide into the track and will not come loose until exiting one end of the track. With this, we can now add featherboards or even clamps, using cut sections of T-bar or T-bar-like accessories to hold them in place. Sorry, no T-bolts or hex nuts here. Nothing that can scratch or otherwise damage the walls of the Mitre track. We hope this helps with identifying the different types of T-tracks available, along with how and where they're used. Good luck on your projects and work safe, folks.